This race is the first race of the season with this truck after our wreck from last year. We felt pretty good. We were coming in, just hoping to finish strong, and we've had some bad luck in the last couple of races, so it was good to have a good finish. Right now, I think we're in a pretty good battle with Justin Davis and I, and it's going to be close to first.
I think we won, but for some reason during the race, there was a yellow flag. We checked up, went around it slow, got back on it, and they said we were supposed to stop. They pulled us in for 10 minutes. They finally agreed to let us back on the track, and with corrected time, I think we still caught the leader. You know, all in all, it was a good weekend. All the cars made it. Getting ready to go to the Mint.
We had so much fun, and you know, we're just out here because we like to have a good time. I like to get better every lap and just hope that I get faster and faster and faster. And Battle at Primm is great, and SNORE has been so awesome. They've been super organized. The BLM has been out here keeping us safe, so we had a great time. So yeah, we'll see what happens on the next race. And I do have to say, Pam Hall for Miss Mint, baby. We want Pam Hall for Miss Mint. She's a driver, she's a renter, she's a mom, she's a business owner. So if you haven't voted for Miss Mint, please give Pam Hall a vote on Facebook.